today how to change out some rollers. So first we're going to get the ladder set up. Always check your door's weight. Surefire way to remove the roller. And this is what we got today. Got this right here. So you can try the track out. With your flat screwdriver. Pop the door off it. Drop the roller. Grab the next one. And ta-da. This one out. Okay, so now we want to sling the door back into up position. You get all the rollers in there except the top. And now, take your handy vice grips. And for this customer, we're going to be a little bit more specific here. And we're going to go get a rag out of the truck. I'll be right back. Show you why in a minute. Alright, so now we got a pair of vice grips. So you're going to take a pair of vice grips, and you're going to take a hammer. And now I'm going to show you why we got the rag. So you're going to fit the vice grips into the tracking, like so. And then we're going to take the rag, we're going to put it over the vice grips. And we're going to put it right here. And we're just going to close the track. So you got a little bit of a ridge here. Nothing too big deal to worry about. The reason we use the rag is because these are powder coated. So on a powder coated door, you always want to be a little bit careful. Use a rag so the hammer doesn't scratch up the paint, because the hammer has teeth on it like this. But otherwise, that is how you change out rollers on a garage door. If you are in the Omaha metro area and you need your rollers changed, give Gelvin Garage Doors a call at 402-594-3862. Thank you.